early. What?
Go to bed.
Cause I'm gonna fish. That's right.
Yeah.
First cast of the day. That's what I'm talking
You just literally
about.
put it in and then he just immediately snapped on it. Jesus.
That's what I'm talking about,
He's
buddy.
quite big, now.
Oh, he wanted it. Good. Alright, so first cast of the day. Got this little guy. Not a bad little catch. Literally threw it in. Went and got this lure from the shop for $8. First throw in, got this little guy. Not bad at all. What? My bad. I just saw a muskrat. Oh my gosh, it was all black. I don't know where he went, but he was super cool. Oh, that was awesome, dude. All right, we're gonna get some more fishing done, but yeah, smallmouth bass out of this river here. Let's keep on going. I don't have my scale out or anything. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, what a beaut. It's the second time with this thing. The only thing I don't like is unhooking them, because man, does it hook them good. Alright. Second catch of the day. Not bad at all. That's definitely a largemouth. He's got a good picture? Go ahead and take a picture. This kid complains. Where is he? Oh, there he is. He complains so much, but he's a good trooper. Definitely a good kid. He's learning, slowly but surely. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go, baby. Oh man, smallmouth are so violent, dude. Stop swinging. Woo. Ooh, you really got yourself, bud. I'm not trying to get hooked, bud. How about you just relax? Yep. The video works. Yeah, but alright, if you don't flop, this will be easier. Alright.
Alright.
Alright, if you don't flop, this will be easier. Alright. Got another smallmouth. Not a bad little size guy. Definitely super violent towards this thing. Tell you what, this little lure, the chopper I think it's called, worth it. $8, totally worth it. Get a nice release. Let's come get a nice release in here, bud.
Alright.
You ready for this? You ready for this beautiful moment?
On my toes, and I don't like it. I can't get it out.
There's two types of fishermen in this world. He's still learning. He's in the process. It'll be okay. Look at this baby bass, bro. This baby bass wish he could. He wish he could, bro. Come here, little guy. Come here. Come here. Come here, little guy. You are just adorable. How cute. Bye. Bro, did you see that baby bass? I believe in you, bud. Sure. What? I told you, yeah. Bro, we got another one! Kid you not, bud! I already told you to cut it. Gosh, they are just vicious out here today, dude. Ooh, buddy, you got yourself in the belly. Ow! You know, this wouldn't happen if you would just chill out. Oh, great. But you're really making it worse for yourself, honestly. Can you just chill for like 20 seconds? Thank you. Look what you done did. Look what you done did. Alright, alright. Alright, well, he was a rowdy one. So I give this chopper thing a good 10 out of 10. This is like my 5th, 6th fish. I've fished here 2, 3 other times. Have not gotten anything. So I'm a firm believer in this thing. That's a fact. Bye. There it is, baby! There it is again! That's my boy. Another smallmouth. Dude, these things are fighters. Let me just give them that. Oh. Alright, push your hook in the... Ow! Okay, on another note, I think they're hungry. They're really hitting on this thing. You know, I was really trying to give you a nice release. So if you could just let me do that, that'd be great. Thank you. Why they always gotta splash me, bro? Yeah, so today was pretty successful. Bought this new, I don't even know what it is. I think it's called a chopper. So I know it's not a whopper plopper. But anyways, I highly suggest it. Definitely 10 out of 10. I literally got it today, and I've caught more fish on the river today than I probably have ever. So, everyone please like, share, and subscribe. Go find yourself more videos, and enjoy. Y'all have a good one.